Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I want to make a quick little video that explained how to crop your videos. I know that I had trouble with this recently. I saw a video that kind of explained how to do it in like multiple steps. So this is the way that I know how to do it. It's basically you get it done within like three or four steps. It's nice and easy. I'm sure there's multiple different ways on how to do it, but this is the way that I know how to do it. It's not confusing at all. So I kind of just wanted to share that with y'all. I also wanted to apologize because this was recorded in portrait mode. I wasn't really taking that into account when this was being recorded. So yeah. But anyways, let's just get right into it. And yeah. Also guys, if you found this video helpful, if y'all can let me know in the comment section below. And maybe consider giving a like. This is going to help me for future videos that I will be having in the channel. Thanks guys. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just find the random video like I'm doing here and just copy the link and save it. After that, you're going to want to look up an app called Document. It's going to be both in the Play Store and in the App Store. So once you do that, you're going to want to go in the bottom right, and in the search bar, once you click the bottom right, you're going to want to look up y2mate.com. And once you go to that website, you're going to want to paste the link that you copied from YouTube. You're going to want to paste that link in the middle and have that, after it loads up, have that download onto the bottom right where there's an arrow pointing downwards. Once your file finishes downloading, you will see a red indicator pop up next to the arrow on the bottom right. So once that happens, go to the bottom left where it says My Files and then go to Downloads. You should see your file that you just finished downloading pop up on the downloads. So once you see that, click on the three dots, and once you do that, click on Move File and move the file to your photos. And once you do that, your file that you just finished downloading should be now on your photos. So with your video file finally inside your camera roll, it's finally ready to be cropped, as you're going to see here be done in a second. Once it does get cropped, you're going to see an indicator in the bottom left that's going to say preparing video. And once that finishes downloading, you are pretty much done. This is an alternative for those of you who are trying to crop videos that are not from YouTube, that are just your own videos. Pretty much just go to kapwing.com and just click on start editing and just follow the steps that you see here on screen. I know that it shows that I'm doing it on phone, but literally it's pretty much step by step exactly how you see here on the computer. So all you got to do is just follow steps step by step and you should be good to go.
Let's go deeper inside. We have prepared the seed vault for
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and please remember to leave a like on this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.